All right, in today's video, we are going to perform installation of Ansible on Oracle Linux version 9. Ansible, it is very useful in the DevOps. So in this demo, we use Oracle Linux. It is basically same for other like Red Hat Linux distros, okay, like Rocky Linux, Arma Linux, and so on and so forth. So for this demo, we're going to use Oracle Linux. I'm already in this system. Let's confirm it is the version we are using. So we are using Oracle version 9, Oracle Linux version 9.3. And the install Ansible is very simple. If we just use yum or dnf install Ansible core, we don't need to do anything, just simply install this. You can see it, okay? So let's do this. You see, it's gonna find those packages and install. But I'm gonna quit this session because I'm planning to install Ansible, and not only Ansible core. I want to install the whole thing. However, if we want to install Ansible the whole package, it doesn't in the default repository. So if you let's see, go to Google. So if I go to Google, go to the Ansible website, it says installing Ansible on Red Hat, CentOS, and Fedora. It's basically this command. However, you need to install the REPL, okay? So let's do that. So what we're gonna do is so we will need to first install a REPL, okay? I forgot the name. Let me retrieve the command, okay? EPEL, not a REPEL, okay? So we're gonna install the EPEL. So that is a repository. So we're gonna install this one. So once we install this repository, it takes less than a second, so we can install the Ansible. So we retrieve the command dnf install Ansible or yum install Ansible. You can see it's going to install lots of packages, of 84 packages. And here on the list, you can see they have Ansible core, Git core, lots of Perl and Python 3. So, okay, so we're going to install this one. I'm just going to use -y to accept this. And then it's going to be very quick. So, few seconds. So we have Ansible. Okay. After Ansible installed, we can do some check of the kit. So this is my file used for this install. So we install the EPEL release and then we insert Ansible. Let's check the Ansible version. All right, so you can see where this default configuration file, and what is the Ansible Python module. You can see it is Python 3.9.18. So that is what. So at this moment, Ansible it is ready for us to use. Okay, so I'm also planning to let me also install the pip, because I'm going to use pip in the future to install some other modules. Let me bring up the web page. So this is let's see. This is a Red Hat. So I'm going to see. This is install of Python 3. It's already installed. So I'm going to install some module. For example, I like install the pip. Okay, so we're gonna install the pip. All right, let's just copy. Or pip 3, because this is the pip 3. Okay, so let's install this one. So this is the let me before do that, if I type pip, you see there's no pip, right? So I'm going to install the pip command. Okay, so all right, so the pip command installed. One command I like to look is the pip list. Okay, so we'll see uh, what being installed on the pip. Okay, and also another command I would try is Ansible Galaxy. What is being installed is a Galaxy collection and list. So that is what is in the, you can see they have a IBM Q reader, whatever. There's so many things in this. So just take a basic look. So let me see. That should um, get started. Okay, so we're gonna use Ansible. We can managing remote Linux server, Windows server, and so on and so forth. Let me also install a package as pip. So I'm also planning to install a package called Python WinRM. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to install the Python WinRM. Okay. Okay, it's finished. Okay, so let's see. I just give a warning says, so that's fine. Let's see if I have that in the list. Okay. So Python WinRM. Okay, so I have this package installed. In the future, I'm going to use this package for managing Windows machine. Okay, for Linux machine, I don't need this one. This is for the Windows. So basically, you have a control node that is for Ansible. From that node, you can using like WinRM or SSH to managing remote servers. All right, that's all for today. It's a short video, okay?